Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a privacy policy as well as implement it into your Shopify store, guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do all of that. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So basically, you're going to want to be on the Shopify home screen, and from the Shopify home screen, you're going to want to head over down to the bottom left-hand corner and click on settings. Now from settings, you're going to want to go all the way down the options list right here and head over to policies. Now from policies, guys, you guys can see that there is a refund policy and much more policies you can actually go ahead and pick from. Now basically, we're going to go ahead and click the privacy policy here, and basically you can go ahead and write your own privacy policy, but I find it more convenient getting it from the template that Shopify gives you. So I'm going to go ahead and create it from the template, and you guys can see that it gives all of the, privacy policies and stuff here. So basically, once you go ahead and create the privacy policy, we're now going to go ahead and head on into the implementation on your website. So go ahead and save the privacy policy, and from there go back, and you're going to be on the home screen. So now basically you're going to want to go ahead and click on online store, and then this is where we're going to actually implement it to our website. So go ahead and all the way down on the fourth option in navigation, go ahead and click that, and from navigation you guys can actually have it at the footer menu. And if you don't know what the footer menu is going to be at the bottom of the page, now the bottom of the website. So you can go ahead and add it there, or if you want it at the top of the page, you go ahead and click on main menu. Now basically from main menu, you can actually see that there are already items here, which are home, catalog, and contact. Now go ahead and add a menu item, and below name right here, go ahead and insert a link, which is going to be your policies. Now we're going to go ahead and click on policies here, and you guys can see that our privacy policy actually shows up here. So go ahead and click on the privacy policy, and then go ahead and add the privacy policy. Now you're going to want to go ahead and save, and reflection should be made shortly on your website. So go ahead, go back to the theme of your store and go ahead and customize it. Now you guys can see at the bottom of the page now, we actually do have the privacy policy. So go ahead and click on the privacy policy to actually review it, and you guys can see that everything has been done and preset. So basically that's how you go ahead and create a privacy policy as well as implement it to your store, guys. So pretty much that's been it for the video, guys, and hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful. And if you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, and comment down below your feedback, because it really is important to the channel, guys. Without further ado, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.